Hello students, today we will do yoga exercise. For that we will do some warm-up exercise. So we will start a warm-up exercise for yoga. Okay, so we will start from head to leg. Okay, first we will next slowly rotate, don't rotate fast. Okay, do all the exercise slowly, step by step. Now next what we will do up down. Do slowly, so don't do fast, otherwise your neck will pain. So do slowly all the exercise. Okay, sideways, do slowly, sideways. Do shoulder rotation slowly. Okay, do slowly. Okay, now back side. Okay, change. Now wrist rotation slowly. Other side. Okay, change. Now slowly rotate. Keep rotation slowly. Do slowly. Don't do fast. All the exercises you have to do slowly. Okay, change. Back side. Okay, stop. Bend. Up. Bend. Up. Okay, change. Now catch your knee, just rotate slowly. Do slowly, don't do fast. Okay, other side. Okay, stop. Now you have to take your toe up down, do up down slowly. Slowly, change. Okay, rotate your toe. Slowly rotate. Change. Okay. So we have finished our warm-up exercise. We start first yoga. What we'll do first one Tadasana. Okay. So for Tadasana, what you have to do? You have to take both the legs, join both the legs straight, and stand straight, and straight down. Okay. So slowly, what you have to do? Slowly, you have to take your hands up slowly. Do all the exercise slowly. Slowly, hands will be straight at your shoulder level. Okay, now change the face of your palm. Palm should be up down, and slowly take your hands up slowly. Okay, and take a normal breathing. Do hands up slowly. Join your hands like this and take it up like this. Do like this. Okay, now stretch up and stand on your toe. Okay, you have to balance. For how much you can balance? Around 10, 20, 30 seconds you have to balance properly. Okay, balance yourself, and now slowly take your hands down, toes down. Slowly you have to take your hands down and stand straight. This is our first yoga exercise, that is known as Tadasana. You have to repeat 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, understand? Okay, so next we will do Vrikshasana. Okay, we will do Vrikshasana. So for Vrikshasana we have to stand straight, join both your legs properly, stand straight, and in Vrikshasana it improves your balance, and it also improves your concentration level. So if you do Vrikshasana properly, so it will improve your concentration, which is used in your exams also. You have to concentrate on your exams, and it also improves your balancing level. So first what you have to do, you have to take your left leg. Okay, left leg at your thigh. Okay, take this down slowly, balance yourself. Okay, like this, and take both your hands like this. Palm will be down slowly, and you have to wait here and take your palm up. Slowly you have to take your palm slowly. All the exercise you have to do slowly. Slowly take your palm and join your palm up, and you have to balance yourself. And I've told you that it improves your balancing system. Balance system is useful in any of the games you play. In any of the sports, balance is most important to play all the games, and also concentration level is also important. So as much as can you can hold, you have to stand straight, Okay. Now slowly you have to take your hands down, 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 down. Slowly, slowly. Take your hands down. Slowly take your legs down. Okay. Same you have to do this with your change your leg. Okay. Now with your right leg, slowly take your hands straight here and take your palm up. Slowly you have to join your palm. Hold, hold, hold. Okay, stand straight, balance yourself, and slowly you have to take your hands down. All exercises you have to do slowly. Okay, understand? And take your legs slowly and stand straight. Okay, next we'll do Utkatasana. Utkatasana, it is also known as chair position. So you must have understand that what next we will do. You have to sit on chair like this. This yoga is like chair position. In this, what it improves our balancing system is that it also improves our concentration level. This all yoga exercise is for concentration and balancing system. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to stand straight, join both your legs. Okay, and slowly you have to take some gap. Okay, don't join both your legs, because if you join, so you can't sit properly. Take some gap. Slowly you have to take your hands slowly up and straight level. Okay, now take your palms up, down, and slowly you have to stand like this. You can join also, you can do like this also. You will join slowly and you have to slowly sit down. Okay, now you see it will stretch stretch at your knees, and you have to be straight. Okay, don't bend down, be straight. You have to sit like straight. Let's stretch at your back. Okay, slowly you have to up. Take your hands slowly down. Now we'll do some sitting position of yoga. Sitting yoga. Okay. So first, what we'll do? Dandasan. Okay. In Dandasan, what you have to do? You have to just sit. You have to sit properly. Sit straight. First, you have to sit in relaxed position. Okay. Now slowly, what we'll do? We'll sit straight. We'll keep our hands here straight. Okay. Join both your legs and tight. Your knees, your shoulders must be tight, and take your toe some behind. You have to sit straight. Chest will be straight. Take normal breathing. It improves your sitting posture. You have to sit straight. You have to sit like this around 20 to 30 seconds. Now slowly you have to sit in relaxed position. Okay, understand? Okay, again we'll do. Take your hands slowly here. Straight. Sit straight. Toes, tight your toes behind. Thighs will be tight. Knees also. Sit straight, chest straight. Okay, now again go to your relaxed position. Understand? Dandasan we'll sit like in Dandasan position only, normal position. Now it's all your favorite, you have done also. Next will be Padmasana. In Padmasana, what you have to do? You have to sit straight like this. Okay, in Dandasan position, normal position only, and you have to take first leg from upside. Okay, first leg here, and take your second leg. You have to keep all your legs one upon another. Okay, at your thigh. Sit straight. Now keep your hands like this. You have to keep on your knee and sit straight, and close your eyes. Take a normal breathing. You have to sit in this position around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Take normal breathing. You have done in your school also. Padmasana is your favorite exercise. Padmasana. Now open your eyes. Okay. Now you have to take your legs out and relax in relaxed position. This is your relaxed position. Okay. Understand? You understand Padmasana? You have done also in school. So this is very simple exercise. Just you have to concentrate on your breathing. You have to do around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay. Now next is what? Next exercise is what? Vajrasana. Vajrasana is being used to improve your digestive system. It also strengthens your spinal back portion and also your knees and all. So what you have to do? You have to stand straight. Okay. Now you have to sit on your knees. See, like this. Join both your knees. Okay. Go back, and you have to keep your hands on your knee. You have to sit straight like this. Okay. Now slowly close your eyes, and slowly you have to breathe slowly. Normal breathing. You have to do normal breathing. Okay. Understand? You have to sit on your knee and keep your hands on your knee and straight your body, chest straight. Okay. Now slowly you have to relax, and slowly you have to go in a normal position. You have to stand slowly. Okay. Understand?